लगता है अब है जाके हम, फिक्री जो थी पीछे रह गई, निकले उनसे आगे हम। हवा में बह रही है जिंदगी, ये हमसे कह रही है जिंदगी। ओहो अब तो जो भी हो सो। खुले आसमां में ख्वाबों के परिंदे उड़े, दिल के जहां में ख्वाबों के परिंदे। ओहो क्या पता जाएंगे कहाँ, किसी ने छुआ तो ये हुआ, फिरते हैं महके महके हम। हुई है कई बातें नहीं जब है ऐसे बहके हम। हुआ है यूं कि दिल पिघल गए।
Welcome to the vlog. We have finally reached the Fulchatti ashram, and just look at the view and listen to the sound of the river Ganga. The views are exhilarating here, and this vlog is about a single day in the retreat, because like most of the days are similar, just the walk is different, which we have at 10:30. And this is about how the ashram life would look like, and if you need some help you can just comment down below. And just look at the views, oh my god, and they have fire in the mountains. I don't know how they will control this. Good morning everyone, this is day 3 of my yoga ashram life. I'm already late, the class is at 6 and I am at here and I have to go there, the old ashram. So let's just quickly, oh my god, it rained, thank god. So guys, this is the old ashram. I'll show the better view later, but for now let's just run for the class. It's 6:01 if you can see. Just listen to this, all the birds chirping. So guys, this is the old ashram where it used to be. Now they have created a new building. So if you can see, this is the small flower garden they have. They have all the flower pots, if these are visible, and this is the old ashram, the staying place, which you must have seen in the pictures also. But now they have their own new building, which I am going to take you there in a few moments. But first look at this. I think the vibe is in the old building itself, the ashram vibe. So we are moving towards our new building, our new ashram, which has all the facilities like a hotel room, I would say. And look how beautiful. अभी हमारा टाइम हो गया है ब्रेकफास्ट करने का, सो आई एम गोना गो एंड हैव माय ब्रेकफास्ट एंड देन वी आर गोइंग टू हैव अ सेशन ऑन द कर्म योगा. Just see the garden over here. And after the Karma Yoga, we are going to have a walk to the Patna waterfall. So let's just see how it goes. I think I'm going to have the breakfast directly. This is my room. 007. Yes, it's 9 o'clock already. In ashram life you have to have that discipline, like breakfast is at 9 to 9:30, then it is 9 to 9:30, it cannot go 9:35, so be ready for that. And also they have everything modernized here, like the yoga studio and the dining hall. So let me just take you there. So this is the new yoga studio. Actually we are currently the batch of only 8 people, and this is for the larger group. So I'll let one of the managers open it for you, but this is now you can have a look at, and this is the new building. Hello Titu Bhaiya. This is the sink area. You have to wash your own utensils, you have to do your own dishes. This is the dining hall. Our breakfast has arrived already, and as you can see we have a beautiful view over here, like the river Ganga is passing by nearby. You can just go out and sit next to the river in your free time. So we have finally reached near waterfall. It's about 30 to 40 minutes hike from the ashram, not too far. And Titu Bhaiya is taking us there, like he knows the way. So we have came back from the waterfall, and who is there is Blackie and Jackie Jackie is not very easy to make friends with, but I'm gonna try. This is us in the yoga hall. So after the evening yoga practice and the aarti and the meditation at 8:30, the whole day is done and I am enjoying my few free hours by sitting next to the river Ganga. See how peaceful it is. Just look at the view and enjoy this. So that was it, guys, and on the last day I went for rafting, so there are few clips for that.
होगी क्या कल की सुबह, कल का तो कल को पता है, हाँ पता है पल दो पल जिंदगी जो मिलती बस एक दफा है, दिल को लुटा दे, मर्ज मिटा दे, आतिश नजारे तुझको पुकारे, दिल को लुटा दे,
मर्ज मिटा दे, आतिश नजारे तुझको पुकारे।
क्या बोलोगे दीवाने को, तो ख्वाहिशें निभाने दो,
मैं बोलूँगी जमाने को,
मुझसे मेरे फसाने लो। क्या बोलोगे दीवाने को, तो ख्वाहिशें निभाने